Doing?
No good.
Have you gotten Adams as a winter summit already?
No.
Okay, let's play a couple of winter,
All right, well, it's Seth. I'm back in the White Mountains. It's the last Saturday of calendar winter. I'm here hiking up the slopes of Mount Adams with Rob and Duncan. We're gonna stay at the Grey Knob Hut. Temps about 30 degrees. Little fog rolling through the woods. Just beautiful. The biggest question mark is my knee. It's not great, not terrible. Pops every once in a while. A little hitch, a little stabbing pain all of a sudden. I asked my surgeon about hiking. He said, can't really do any more damage to it as long as you can tolerate the pain. Go for it. So that's all I needed to hear. For those who don't know, I'm having a little work done on my knee in a couple weeks. Torn meniscus. I'm up here hiking anyway. Mistake, perhaps, but this is my one and only winter trip this year. My only chance to get at least one peak done on my winter list, and I'm happy to give it a try. And if we limit what we do because of the knee, that's the way it goes. I'm happy to be out here. The warmest winter they've had on record. I saw an article, and it showed this is mid-March. Compare that to previous trips I've taken and see the difference. Look at that. Lost both my baskets. Sadness. All right. To the log cabin, Grey Knob and Mount Adams. Lowe's path. And these are Lowe's men.
Lowe men.
Someone came this way. Someone or someone went down that way and came back after relieving themselves. Mystery solved. Well, so far so good with the knee. It's popped and ached a few times, but nothing major. We got less than a mile to go to get to the hut. It's snowing out now. It's just absolutely beautiful. Glad to be in some actual winter.
Log cabin cut off.
You can cut off, and then there's some other
It's not the toilet, that's some kind
Cool
of
little
shed.
spot. The cabin. Nifty ice. Rob's doing a great job leading the way on this last half-mile charge up the Grey Knob.
My heart rate is going.
Yeah.
Where you at? Heart rate.
My calves are not happy with me. All right, going with the snowshoes for the remainder of this climb up the Grey Knob and use the televators.
That'll help for sure. My calves are feeling it.
I haven't been doing much in the way of hiking or training for these last few months, and I'm feeling it. Whew, this is a steep last section to get to Grey Knob. Coming up through the mist, a man, a motivated man. All right, 100 yards to the cabin.
Not too shabby.
Interesting pony.
Here we are, look at that.
Very cool.
Home for the night. Well done, Rob.
Nice with the snowman.
Yeah, not cool to pee on the snowman. Maybe it was a dog.
Yeah, I heard the dogs are cool here.
But are dogs cool, Rob?
I like dogs. I don't want to be on YouTube as an anti-dog guy.
Look,
I refuse
I'm
to
not,
take that
I'm not,
position.
I'm not anti-dog, all right? I reject that term just because I don't love dogs, that I'm somehow against them. But I don't,
You just tolerate.
I tolerate dogs.
Don't you have a dog?
That's neither here nor there, but yes, I do. We got mattresses for the night, Grey Knob.
Non, il y a... Attends, c'est à tonton ça là-bas? Le sac, ouais.
Do. All right, it's gonna be a full house at Grey Knob tonight. We got here just in time to get beds before another big party came and got the rest. Psyched. All right, on our way up to Mount Adams. Lighter packs and happier spirits. Hey, a little bit poking through. Yeah, blustery up here. Sporty conditions up here. Second highest peak in New England. There's a bit of sun. Look at those gents up there. The wind died down and now it's just quiet as can be. This wind is gusty. There's some clouds. Got some great navigation skills here from Duncan.
Duncan is keeping us in it.
Technology is keeping us in.
Yeah, that's true.
Wind hasn't been too bad here on the summit cone of Adams. I'll take it. Yeah, look at that. Opening up for us down there. Top of Adams. That was a lot of work. I'm not in shape for this. We did it. Nice work, guys. Adams. There you go. It's opened up. We can see where we came from. Wow. Incredible clouds in the distance. Well, top of Adams. Looking pretty good. Oh, there we go. Madison in the distance. See how big this place is and how small we are.
Oh, hello.
All right, we're heading down a different way than we went up. We're going to stop by Crag Camp, which is the other cabin managed by the Randolph Mountain Club. Check that out. It has a great view of the ravine. And then from there, it's like another 0.4 back to Grey Knob. But my knee does not like this downhill, so it's starting to really ache. So I'll be happy when this day's done. So that's King's Ravine down there. We were there a couple Octobers ago. Wild place, a lot of cool rock places to check out there. Whew. Madison and then Adams in the clouds somewhere. That's cool. Rainstorm over that area. Ended up being a great day. Knee cooperated until the descent. I'm happy about that. Gonna relax here for a little bit at Camp Crag, and then we're gonna make the remainder of the hike back to Grey Knob. Camp Crag. Ah, there you go. Oh, pretty sweet view here, huh?
Pretty incredible. I'm almost tempted to go get my stuff and sleep in the cold. It's,
I think you'll appreciate the stove.
Almost back to Grey Knob, and I'm glad because my leg aches. Whew, I am tired. That was a lot. I'll be happy to rest. Grey Knob is smaller than we anticipated, quite a bit smaller than Camp Crag. We're kind of wishing we were staying at Crag, even though they don't have a stove. Much more spacious. But all of our stuff's at Grey Knob, so that's where we're staying. So we're going to go back and enjoy at least a warm night. Clothes drying everywhere here at the Knob. Happy with how your day went?
Yeah, Yeah, I struggled a little bit, just exercise-wise, cardiovascularly, but overall we accomplished our goals. Nobody's angry at each other. Like,
Nope.
everybody's warm and cozy and safe for the night. I feel good about it.
Here we are at 8:15 a.m. at Grey Knob. People were sleeping in. It was 7:30. Most of the cabin was still asleep, aside from some French Canadian lads. My knee, which felt absolutely like dog shit going down yesterday from Adams, feels remarkably fine today, which is weird, but that's knees for you. Some dark clouds rolling in. Looks like they're gonna have snow all day here, so I'm glad we were able to summit yesterday, because I don't think we'd be going up there today. Looks gnarly. All right, well, here's where we all slept last night. Upstairs, a lot of snoring. I didn't sleep great. And it was so warm. This right there, that's the chimney. And so I had that friggin' 0-degree burrow, which was super overkill. So it was just sort of draped over my lower legs, and otherwise I was super warm and just a base layer. Attaching the burrow to the inflatable mattress seemed to work all right, but since I didn't really need the burrow and it ended up kind of pushed down, I didn't really get to give it a real good try, but it seems like it'll work well to connect that top quilt to a pad so it doesn't move around on you in the night. It is a little bit of snow here.
A little bit.
Grey Knob as we venture out. All right, all right. Ooh, buddy. Glad the weather provided the window it did for us yesterday. Oh yeah, the knee does not like descending. It is slow going. It doesn't feel great on the way down. So going up wasn't bad, but down not so much. Well, we'll make it. We got like another 2 or so miles to go, I think, to get back to the cars. So slow and steady. The lower we get, the slushier it gets.
Shambling man.
Shambling man. I feel.
Obviously it's a problem, but
Whatever they got this morning.
All right, well, this place got a lot wetter since the last time we were here.
oh my god.
All right, we're done.
We did it.
Well done.
Underneath you.
Success.
Yep. Whew. Fun time at Grey Knob. Bagged another winter peak, Adams, second highest in New England.
Boom.
And my leg was all right until I had to go down, so count that as a blessing. Another fine trip in the books. Thanks as always for watching. We'll see you next time.